How many people have the same problem that I have with this cutter right here? Because I always have this one problem, and I'm always cutting my cord. When the cord gets stuck at the bottom, it gets stuck, and then I try to like whisper it around like this, and then they try to grab the cord, and all of a sudden go, and all of a sudden it get electrocuted. I'm not gonna have this on right now because I don't want to cut another cord. I have went through like 3 cords, and it's a blessing I did not get electrocuted. So now I'm trying to figure out a solution. I have a solution to that because I don't want to do it like this, swing it around, and it go, and I'm like, and one time I almost got electrocuted. So I have a solution. I have a solution to keep this cord from when I swing it around and it goes, and it cut the cord and it gets stuck in between these blades, and it cut the cord while it still got electricity in it. So I have a solution that is going to be a good tip on how to keep your cord from getting stuck between the blade while you are cutting your bushes and whatnot, and electrocuting or ruining a long cord that you didn't pay like $50 or $100 for. Okay, because it happened to me. I don't know how many people it happened to before, but okay, I'm going to show you a solution, what I have to solve that problem. Now, my solution to the problem of keeping this cord from getting stuck into the blade, because when you swing it around, that's what swings the cord go to. And my solution is the pool noodle. Yes, this pool noodle right here is going to keep this cord from getting back caught in here. When you're trying to swing it around and trying to cut the other thing, because the cord might get caught, and you swing it, cut around a bush or something, and you swing it, and all of a sudden it fly in between the blade like this, and the blade cuts it, and next you know, sparks are flying, and you know, one time I grabbed it, and I grabbed it and said, pow, and I was like, oh my God, I almost got electrocuted. So I'm gonna use this pool noodle. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna use this pool noodle right here to show you what I'm gonna do to stop that cord, the electrical cord, from getting caught in these things. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this. Now I am going to take the pool noodle and I'm gonna cut it all the way down the center. I already cut it all the way down the center, all the way to the end. See how I cut it all the way to the end? So because I am going to use this so that when I swing my blade from the cord, it gets caught, that it will not go between the blades, because you don't even know it's going to fly around that blade or pop off all of a sudden. But it is dangerous because I didn't ruin 3 electrical cords like that. So using this pool noodle, I'm going to show you what else. I'm going to do. Stay with me. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this to keep that cord from flying back around. And this tool that I cut the bushes and stuff with, from cutting the cord. Okay, now after I split the pool noodle down the middle, I'm going to put it around the cord. See how this cord, I'm going to stick the cord in between here. Since this pool noodle is straight, it's going to keep the cord away from the blade. See, so you just kind of push the cord in here, okay, all the way down, put the cord, so this way you're keeping the cord straight, and it will keep it away from the blade. Now, I am going to use this twist tie just in case, like the cord try to pop out from between there, because you could always take it off, because you might want to remove the noodle because it's kind of long to keep it from going into the blade. So I'm just going to twist tie. I'm going to twist tie this around the pool noodle. Now this is just to keep the cord from popping out where you are. We'll just open it back up and the cord popping out and still end up getting caught in the blade. You don't want that again, because I'm tired of buying these cords. These cords cost like, if you buy like the 100-yard, because you like working in your yard, and you can't buy no short yard if you want to do your whole yard. It costs like $50, $100, and I get tired of buying it. I done messed up about 3 of them, and I almost got electrocuted each time. Other one, they cut it so quick, I looked down and my cord was like, yeah, and my cord was laying on the ground. So I decided to do it myself, something to rig up so that it won't be able to fly around and cut the cord. It's because it's a long distance and it's keeping the cord straight and away from this bush cutter. So there you have it. your blade cutter for cutting your bushes. Now it has something to keep this cord straight and away from the blade. So when you take your handle and you swing it, sorry about that, you swing it around, your cord won't fly around and get caught in between the blade. So you see how long the pool noodle is? It's been past there. So therefore it won't let the cord go into the blade because the pool noodle is longer than the blade. So when you swing it around, it will miss the blade. I don't think it's going to even swing around that far to go into the blade because the pool noodle is so long. So when you swing it and it get caught and it all of a sudden pop up, it will go past the blade because the pool noodle makes sure it's past the blade so that you won't cut your cord again and almost get electrocuted. Because you can't get electrocuted. This is metal and that's electricity. So, hope this was helpful and hopefully it work out just great because I think it will because I sure don't want to cut my cord again. Maybe I'm the only one that does that, but for the only ones who has experienced it before, this is going to be my solution, my do-it-yourself rig-up solution to try to solve that problem.